Hello everyone, today we are preparing one of our Cambodian royal recipe which is called sweet and salty freshwater prawns. This recipe has been documented as one of the precious treasury of royal Cambodian home cooking, and we are really happy to share this forgotten recipe with every one of you. You only need two main ingredients for this recipe, and they are 1 kilogram of prawns and 50 grams of garlic. First thing you need to do is to clean all the prawns and start grilling them with low heat. Make sure you don't overcook them because freshness is the key for this recipe. By the way, freshwater prawns are very expensive in Cambodia. 1 kilogram of giant freshwater prawns can cost you around 25 to 30 US$. Once the prawns are ready, you then need to start removing their shells and tails. And make sure to keep one head of the prawn for your plating as a decoration at the end. And please try your best to do it as fast as you could because again, freshness is the key for this recipe. If you spend too much time to do this, the quality of the taste of the meat will be reduced significantly. Once you have done remove the shells and the tails, you then have to start hammering the meats immediately, but don't hit them too hard. After that, we mince the garlic for 50 grams before we start cooking. Garlic not only makes the food smell nice, but it also provides a golden color, which makes your food look very good. So everything has been prepared right now. It is time to start cooking. First, start with stir-frying the minced garlics until they turn golden. Then you can put them away because you have to put them on the food as your final touch. After that, you have to heat your frying pan again and put the prawn meats into it. You have to stir fry them in low heat until they turn yellow, and then you can start putting the 4 grams of salt and 15 grams of palm sugar. You have to keep stir frying for about 5 minutes, and please make sure that you cook it in low heat to avoid burning. When it's ready to serve, please add in the stir-fry garlic on it as a final touch. I hope you like it and add it into your cooking collection. Thank you for watching, and please have like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and unique recipes. Have a nice weekend.